Hi teachers and staff, let's walk through how to limit free and taster courses. But before that, let's define each one. Our flexibility lets you set 3 course pricing categories. Trial courses allow clients to enroll for free. Taster courses offer an extended preview of the full experience but come with a price, perfect for clients who are interested but not quite ready to commit. Regular courses provide the complete learning experience. You can set the course pricing type during course creation or by editing them in course settings. This feature helps you maintain balance and avoid overbookings of trial and taster courses. This also helps you manage your resources efficiently while ensuring fair access for all students. Let's get started. In the navigation menu, click Settings. From here, go to Platform Settings and then click on the Modules tab. Once you're in Modules, scroll down to the Courses section. You'll see the option labeled Course Limits. This is where we'll make the adjustments. A pop-up will appear where you can set the maximum number of free and taster courses a student can enroll in. For instance, if you want students to take up to 2 free courses and 1 taster course, simply enter those numbers in their respective fields. Once done, click Submit to save your settings. And that's it! You've successfully set limits for free and taster course enrollments. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.